you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called Gobble Gobble Gobble. Alright, so make sure you stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. Alright, so for this activity you're going to need a few household items. Number one, you're going to need a hat, and I have some string attached to it. And you are going to create your own turkey, and the way you're going to do that is using your hands and a piece of paper. You can draw it out just like I did. This is my create a little turkey. Put some tape and a water bottle. Alright, so here's the setup for Gobble Gobble Gobble. Now I have, for level 1, I'm going to have 3 of my turkeys that are wild running around. And then I'm going to have my hat, and I'm going to have to cast it out. And I'm going to have to pull in my wild turkey to catch it. I'm going to have 1 minute to try to get all of the 3 turkeys in. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. And as long as the turkey crosses the line, it is captured. Oh. Boom, 1. 2. Got 1 more left. And Mr. Garcia, do it. And time. All right, so I was only able to reel in 2 out of the 3. So
2, 1, go. Oh, good catch. Oh, you got the first one. First shot, nice. Grab that turkey, Jordan. Whoa, don't worry about it. Sorry, hot. Nope. Good try. 40 seconds left. Remember, you gotta throw it like a frisbee. Casting it like a frisbee. Alright. That's 2. He has 1 left. Oh, 40. Oh, just missed it.
Ten seconds left. Alright, so here we go. This is set up for level 2. Now, if you notice, I have 5 wild turkeys. Now, my goal this round is to try to catch all of my 5 turkeys the fastest. Now, I'm going to go ahead and time myself. If you guys want to continue doing a 1-minute challenge, that is an option as well. But for the sake of this activity right now, level 2, I'm going to have to see how quickly I can retrieve all 5 of my wild turkeys. So make sure you guys stay tuned, and Mr. Garcia will try level 2 in just a moment. Alright, here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go! Boom, I got 1. Oh, can I get 2? Oh, I got 2. All right, you got 3. Make sure you drop a comment below, cheer on Mr. Garcia. If you guys have an idea for a strategy, type it down in the comment section. Ah, so close. Oh, 4, last one. Oh, just that away. Just gonna leave. And time. All right, so my time was 1 minute and 31 seconds. So if you guys can beat Mr. Garcia's time, try it out. Drop a comment below. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, he's got one. Oh, too hard. All right, that's 2. Oh, just missed it. That was a nice cast, though. And cross. All right, that's 3. 2 left. Oh, Jordan took the charges than I did. We'll see how it works. Oh, that's 4. Lost 1. And 5. Time 49 seconds. Wow. Jordan just won. Well, we really hope you enjoyed this game of Gobble Gobble Gobble. Please don't forget to
Like, subscribe, and comment.
Please let me know in the comment section what you thought about the activity, what you used for your turkeys, and how you would modify it. And again, please don't forget to use our hashtag, the PE spot. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.